So waking up in the morning. So first, Modeh. The first mitzvah one should do when she awakens, so because it's a women's halacha, in the morning, while still laying in bed, is to recite aloud Modeh to thank God for returning her neshama, which had ascended to heaven overnight. Modeh is permitted to be said even before she washed the Negelwasser, so meaning this 3 times, right? Since it does not contain Hashem's name, nor it is a tefillah. Okay, so let's continue and we're going to explain. Some poskim say that the woman should pronounce the first word of Modah, rather than Modeh. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Somehow I don't have a volume. 1 second. My speaker is off. 1 second, sorry. Okay, go ahead, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, no, I just want, because I think it's the first time I'm saying, which book is this class based on?
Can you see this book? I actually send it in WhatsApp. I send it on WhatsApp.
Okay, I see. So it's
yeah.
maybe not, okay, I see.
Okay, so it's one of the recent books they published maybe, I don't know, 6 months ago. And I saw on an interview with the author. So he's the son of very, very famous rabbi, actually. And he's been a teacher in a Beis Yaakov school for a very long time. So I actually saw the Art Scroll did an interview. It's very interesting. Okay, so the morning start. She wakes up, and everybody wakes up, and she's saying this Modeh. So the text it's actually the first prayer in Siddur. We thank Hashem that He returned our neshama. So when a person sleeps, in some sense he dies or she dies. Our sages say it's 1/60th of the death. Why? Because the neshama goes up the heaven, and it actually tells everything whatever we did during the past day. So something some people think that they can hide something, but it's not true. First of all, there are angels that follow all of us at every given moment, and plus there is neshama that comes and said, Hashem, I don't want to come. I don't want to come back to this person, right? To this to him or her. Why? Because they're not keeping their words, their promises. I want to stay here. I want to stay with you. And Hashem said, no, please go back. Right, go back, and maybe today this person is going to do teshuvah, and that's why the wording is the wording ends. And thank you, Hashem, that you have a trust in me, right? That you have trust in me that I can do teshuvah today. I can do better today than yesterday. Okay, so that's the text Modeh. Continue. If it is preferable to pause between the words melech and chai, right? King who is alive, melech chai. The words rabba and emonasecha should spoken together. Okay, rabba and words. Okay. So that's it. Continue. So person wakes up. She said this blessing, Modeh. Technically, it's not a good idea to have a siddur next to your bed in your bedroom, unless it is if you have a nightstand, right, and you can put it in a drawer or in a drawer to close and put it in some other covering. So, for example, like some plastic bag or whatever in a drawer, so it would be double covering, which is good. Otherwise, don't leave the siddur in your bedroom.